Rahul issue. Rahul, no, one second. I want to quote for you what Rajesh Pandey, national convener of the Bajrang Dal, says on camera. Rahul Narvekar, a minute. Rahul Narvekar, you know, so far, बहुत हो चुका. Rahul Narvekar, 1 second. संबित पात्रा रुक जाइए. ये कह रहे हैं कि आप सुन रहे हैं? आप इनके वर्ड्स सुन रहे हैं? Are you listening to their words? कहते दहशत फैलाना चाहते हैं. आप दहशत फैलाइए रेपिस्ट के लिए, आप दहशत फैलाइए मर्डरर्स के लिए, आप दहशत फैलाइए आतंकवादियों के लिए. आम आदमी के लिए आप दहशत मत फैलाइए. और आप दहशत फैलाना किसी को नहीं, शोभा नहीं देता. और दहशत जो फैलाने अलाउ करते हैं उनको भी पूछना पड़ेगा अपने अंतरात्मा को कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. आज
I say every Muslim should be a terrorist. What is the meaning of the word terrorist? Terrorist by definition means a person who causes terror. When a robber sees a policeman, he's terrified. So for the robber, the policeman is a terrorist. So in this context, whenever a rapist, whenever any anti-social element looks at a Muslim, he should be terrified. We should terrify the anti-social element. That's what the Quran says in Surah Anfal, chapter number 8, verse number 60. Cause terror in the hearts of the anti-social element. I know that today the word terrorist is commonly used for terrorizing an innocent human being. In this context, no Muslim should ever terrorize any innocent human being. He should selectively terrorize the anti-social element. He should selectively terrorize the thief, the robber, the rapist. Whenever any anti-social element looks at a Muslim, he should be terrified. Then only can we have peace in this world.